If you've never experienced residual income from your investments, this video will blow your mind. There are thousands of people making thousands of dollars per month in cash flow on Airbnb right now. I am one of them. Nearly 3 years ago, my wife and I sat down and talked about how tired we were of working our sales jobs. Now, yes, the harder we worked and the more hours we put in, we could make more money. It can be very rewarding, but exhausting trading so much time for money. In that moment, we understood what the rat race truly was, and we realized that there were better ways to create monthly income with very little time commitment. We studied short-term vacation rentals, which is what Airbnb properties are. Fast forward to today, we are financially free, have a net worth over $2 million, and cash flow tens of thousands of dollars per month from our investments. And the first thought that may come to your mind is, hey, I don't have enough money for a 20% down payment on a rental property. Well, the good news is that you don't even need to own a property in order to do Airbnb. That's right. There is a strategy known as rental arbitrage or Airbnb arbitrage, in which you can rent a property from somebody else, garner permission from them written in the lease agreement to furnish and then re-rent out on a short-term basis on sites such as Airbnb or Vrbo or a direct booking site. Why is this strategy so genius? No down payment required, no high credit needed. It's not uncommon for the ROI, return on investment, to be between 100 and 300%. And you can scale to multiple units very quickly, much quicker than you would be able to by saving up for multiple down payments at 20% down. Yes, you will need some money. You'll need money for furniture and any costs associated with setting up the lease. Sometimes it's just a security deposit or first month's rent. It obviously can vary depending on the size and location of the property and who the landlord is. Let's walk through a quick example of what it would take to start cash flowing $1,000 per month using this exact method. Now, I want you to make sure that whatever specific location you want to invest in, the specific property type you end up wanting to set up for Airbnb, ensure that it works with the local government regulations as it pertains to short-term rental permanents. You can find an apartment for rent for, let's just say, $1,200 per month. Now, assuming you have to pay an application fee, first month's rent as a deposit, and spend about $4,000 to furnish the unit, we would spend a few $100s on the city permit as well, professional photography, etc. So we're all in at let's say $6,500. Now, if you go on AirDNA and you run the numbers and confirm that most one-bedroom apartments in that specific area are averaging about 80% occupancy throughout the year and a daily rate of $125, that equates to about $36,500 per year, or $3,041 per month in revenue. We have to subtract our monthly rent of $1,200, and now we are left over with $1,841. Now, we also have to account for utility bills, Wi-Fi, maintenance, and other operational expenses. The one thing I personally do not account for in the investment analysis is the cleaning fee. The reason I don't forecast this as an operating expense is because we are going to charge each guest a cleaning fee with every single reservation, so I consider this a wash. Now, let's assume the operating expenses total an additional $800 or so per month on average, and this will leave us a cash flow of right around $1,000 per month or $12,000 per year. The cool thing about this strategy is how quickly you can scale this business. At $1,000 a month in cash flow, you could get another unit stood up in about 7 months. Then you're cash flowing $2,000 a month. Then you get a third unit about 3.5 months. So you can do the math yourself and see how quickly you could build up to $10,000 per month in cash flow, which would be $120,000 per year cash flow in your pocket. This is possibly the best investment strategy that any person could make to achieve financial freedom in a very short period of time. If you want to check out all of the resources that I provide, make sure to see the description below. I'll drop some information there. And hopefully you guys found some value in this video. If you did, please do me a favor, hit the like button, and then make sure to subscribe for all things real estate, Airbnb, financial freedom, and other investing content as well moving forward. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.